I'm stopping by Autobox right now. I never really come to this place for only a few things. Got to pick up some heat wrap stuff. Yeah, this place is very expensive, so I don't come here much at all. So I go over here, and when I first came to Japan, I used to come here a bunch and everything. Then I stopped coming here because things just cost too much. Get it online cheaper. So only time I come here is for this section right here. Is for the heat wrap and everything, so I can do some heat wrap, heat control. So I don't feel like waiting. It's like say right here, it's $60 for this shit. It's not even that much, man. $90 for this, but I gotta buy it because I don't have time to wait. So sucks, but gotta do what you gotta do. Just stopping by the store right here to pick up some welding L's. They're literally about to close. So this is a store down Hachinohe. A bunch of stuff. It's like a small Home Depot, but it has more stuff than Home Depot. You can make yourself some wheel spacers and stuff right here. But if you're crazy, got all types of cool piping stuff and spacers and stuff. So, yeah. So I gotta just pick up some welding L's. All the stuff down here. Tons of stuff right here. So this stuff, some of the stuff is not good for welding, but they have the iron welding L's over here somewhere. Just gotta find them. There we go. So here's the pipe steam. So a lot of guys get the pipe steam manifolds. They use these type of welding L's right here. So just gonna pick up some. I already got some at the shop. Just gotta pick up a few more and finish off the wastegate and everything. Huge, man. This thing's like almost looks like about 6, 7, 8 inches. So a lot of stuff here. And there we go, right there. Welding L's.